Want to turn your raw footage into viral shorts with eye-catching animated captions in just one click? Today, I'm showing you how to do exactly that using an incredibly fast AI tool called Submagic. If you've been spending hours manually cutting your videos, writing subtitles, and trying to keep your audience engaged, Submagic is designed to change all of that. It's an AI-powered video editor built specifically to help you edit short-form content up to 10 times faster. Whether you are a content creator, a business owner, or a social media manager, it's built to streamline your entire workflow. The process is incredibly simple. All you have to do is upload your raw video file or drop a YouTube link directly into the platform. It works with phone footage, podcasts, and almost any format. Once your video is in, Submagic's AI goes to work. First, it generates highly accurate, animated captions. It supports over 123 languages with a claimed 99% accuracy rate, giving you those trendy, high-retention subtitle styles that keep people watching. But it doesn't stop at captions. Submagic also automatically removes awkward silences, inserts relevant B-roll, and can even use a feature called Magic Clips to automatically find the best moments in a long-form video and split them into multiple ready-to-publish shorts. Plus, if you don't want to show your face on camera, they even offer AI avatars so you can create content without filming. Once your video is edited, you don't even need to download it and open another app to post. Submagic has a built-in scheduler. You can select your platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, pick a date and time, and publish your content directly from the editor in up to 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. To be completely transparent, we don't have access to an independent database of user reviews for this tool today, so we can't share external customer feedback. However, looking at the features, the major pro is clearly the massive time savings. Submagic claims to save creators over 10 hours a week by automating the tedious parts of editing. On the flip side, because the B-roll and cuts are generated by AI, you will likely still want to do a quick manual review to make sure the automated edits perfectly match your personal brand and style. Overall, if you want to scale up your short-form content without spending all day in a complex editing suite, Submagic is absolutely worth checking out. You can head over to submagic.co to try it for free and see how it works for your own videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tool guides, and let me know in the comments, what's your biggest struggle when editing shorts? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.